There is a lie you tell every single day. Not to others, not to the world, but to yourself. A lie that sounds harmless, but quietly destroys your future. And the day you finally stop believing it is the day your life begins to change. Everyone reaches this moment. Late at night, phone in hand, lights off, silence everywhere. You replay your life in your head, the chances you missed, the habits you kept, the person you promised you'd become, but didn't. And for a second, you feel uncomfortable. So you lie to yourself. I'll start tomorrow. I still have time. It's not that bad. That lie gives you comfort, but it also steals another year of your life. Here's the truth most people never accept. Your life doesn't change because you don't know what to do. It doesn't change because you refuse to be honest about what you're doing wrong. Honesty is painful, but honesty is powerful. The moment you say, I'm lazy, not unlucky. I'm distracted, not busy. I'm scared, not stuck. You take your power back. Self-deception keeps you comfortable. Self-honesty makes you dangerous. And every strong person you admire, they didn't become strong by motivation. They became strong by facing ugly truths about themselves and fixing them. If you want to stop lying to yourself and actually change your life, do this. 1. Name the lie clearly. Write it down. I'm waiting for the right time. I don't have energy. I'm different. Seeing the lie removes its power. 2. Replace excuses with ownership. Instead of, this is hard, say, this is necessary. Ownership forces growth. 3. Build one non-negotiable habit. Not 10, not a perfect routine, just one daily action you do even when you don't feel like it. That's how discipline is born. 4. Reduce distractions aggressively. Your phone, your comfort zone, your toxic environment. Weak focus creates weak results. 5. Act before confidence appears. Confidence doesn't come first, action does. Every action tells your brain, I am someone who keeps promises. And slowly, your identity starts changing. One day you'll look back and realize it wasn't lack of talent that held you back. It wasn't bad luck. It wasn't the world. It was the lie you kept telling yourself. And the moment you stopped believing it, you became unstoppable. The truth hurts once, but lies hurt for a lifetime.